can I do to celebrate my wedding anniversary with Vegeta? Yeah, I'll try to bake a pie. It shouldn't be hard. Just follow the recipe. I don't think this is right. Oh, damn! I finally finished. Now just wait for it to bake.
What is happening? I smell something burning.
Oh no, it's burning! Damn, what do I do? This is horrible.
Bulma, what are you doing? Are you setting the house on fire?
Oh, Vegeta. My dear. Happy wedding anniversary. This comic was created by Maya Briefs. Be sure to check out her DeviantArt page in the description below. If you love Vegeta Bull comics, then this is the artist for you. And be sure to subscribe to Prince Vegeta and myself for more fun-filled content.